Alright, get ready for some out-of-this-world news. If you thought you'd heard it all about our solar system, think again, because the universe just threw us another cosmic curveball. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, yeah, the one that's been sending us jaw-dropping images from deep space, has done it again. This incredible piece of technology, floating a million miles from Earth, is changing the way we see the universe, one discovery at a time. This time, it spotted something hiding right in our own solar system, a brand new moon orbiting Uranus. That's right, while we've been busy looking at distant galaxies, something amazing was happening much closer to home. Now, Uranus already has 27 known moons, each with its own story and mystery. But this new discovery is like finding an extra prize in your cereal box. Totally unexpected and super exciting. It's a reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, there are still secrets waiting to be uncovered. The Webb telescope's super-powered infrared vision picked up a faint little blip, just a few dozen kilometers wide, quietly circling the planet's icy blue glow. Imagine trying to spot a tiny marble next to a giant glowing beach ball from billions of kilometers away. That's how impressive this find is. How did scientists miss it all this time? It's a question that's got astronomers scratching their heads and double-checking old data. Turns out, even with all our technology, the universe still has ways to surprise us. Well, Uranus is way out there, almost 3 billion kilometers from the sun, so its moons are faint and tiny and usually lost in the planet's glare. The sunlight is weak, and the planet's own brightness can easily hide small objects nearby, making them nearly impossible to spot with older telescopes. But Webb's sensitivity makes it the ultimate cosmic detective, and this moon just couldn't hide anymore. Its advanced instruments can pick up the faintest signals, revealing objects that have been invisible to us for decades. The discovery process itself is fascinating. Scientists sifted through mountains of data, looking for anything unusual. When they noticed a tiny, consistent movement near Uranus, they knew they were onto something big, or in this case, something small but significant. What's really cool is that every new moon we find tells us more about how the planets, and even the solar system, formed. Each moon is like a time capsule, holding clues about the early days of our cosmic neighborhood. Maybe this little guy was captured by Uranus's gravity, or maybe it's a leftover from a massive collision eons ago. Scientists are eager to study its orbit and composition to figure out its origin story. So what's next? Astronomers will be watching this moon closely, calculating its orbit, and maybe even giving it an official name. Naming a new moon is a big deal. It often involves mythology, history, and a bit of creativity. Who knows? There could be even more hidden gems out there, just waiting for Webb to reveal. With every new discovery, we're reminded that the universe is far from fully explored. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there's still so much left to find, and every new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Space is full of surprises, and I can't wait to see what we find next.